Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Hayden Rowe order. This one I wasn't gonna place. I was gonna warm through what I had first, or start warming through some of the things before I place another order. But actually this one is a little bit different than other ones, and I'll show you why in just a minute. So she was having a 15% off sale. I think it was 15% off for Easter or something like that. Yeah, I think it was 15% off. And someone alerted me to a product that I needed, and then she also planted into my head another idea, which I will get to in just a minute. So as usual, she has these choose happiness stickers, which I think are super fun, and her card. I really like that she puts, any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. I love it. I love that. And I don't think I've said that I like her, well, maybe I have, that I like her aesthetic quite a bit. Kimberly, thank you for another great order. Christina, I love these notepads. I use a lot of notepads for when I do my warm reviews. I keep notes on things, so that was super nice. Always here. Actually, let's take that out of the screen. Okay, so this is just kind of, I did get some wax, but actually let's do the samples first. So this first one was made in the shade, and of course, again, like I have said, I love the ducks. I think that's super original. The ducks may have been around before, but certain vendors, you just don't see their samples come in ducks all the time. This, oh, I need to look this up because I swear this smells like ginger ale or some sort of fizzy pop. That's good. The damn samples, they make me want to go back in. That's the whole point of samples, right? To make you go back in and place another order. This one I need to look up and see what the heck is in there. That smells good. And you guys know I love ginger ale fizzy pop. Christmas clouds, which I actually got in a big quantity. I think I got it in one of those bags that she makes. This is, I'm trying to think, white clouds and vanilla bean Noel. This one just smells really pretty. And then the next one I got is Tahitian Spa. I've had this order for a while, but as you guys know, I wasn't really feeling all that great last week, so I feel like I'm feeling better now. Okay, this one, what's in here? This one is not as pleasing to my nose. It smells good, but there's something in here that I can tell I'm not gonna love. I don't know what it is though. I can see people liking this scent, just not me. I don't know what's in here though. Tahitian Spa. There's something in there that is not, that's not for me. Okay, so this is what I went in. I figured since it was 15% off, let's go ahead and try it. I did price check Amazon. As you guys know, my loaf chopping videos are a hot mess, so I thought the loaf cutting tool would be a good thing to buy. I can't wait to actually use this thing and see how it works. But this was 15% off. I did price check it against Amazon, and with the 15% off, it turned out to be pretty much the same. So I just decided to place an order. One of my sweet friends actually pointed it out to me. She's like, hey, look, 15% off, and you can get the a stainless steel wax cutter, wavy edge. And I was like, oh boy. And you know who you are, causing me to make orders. Okay, so then I got some bags. I got the 6x9. These things are huge. So, oh, actually I have some right here. Let me just show you. I used it for some of my VCS. So that's what they look like when you get them filled up. And my friend and I were talking, and we were talking about the bags, the white bags that Kirby puts her stuff in that don't have any plastic inside or polypropylene. And she was suggesting that maybe to bag the wax up in these bags and then put it in the white bag to keep it extra protected. I thought that was a nice idea, so I grabbed those. And I just needed some bigger bags anyways, because I have I think I have the Scent Shot size, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, and I think that's what I have. I don't have any bigger. So I needed some bigger, like loaf size. Okay, and I did grab 2 scent shots, and I grabbed some in beach towels. Somebody was saying that Hayden Rowe had one of their favorite blackberry jam butter cookie scents. If anybody knows and can attest to that, I'd like to know. This one I really like. I really like the scent of beach towels. Not 100% sure what the scent notes are on it, but it smells really nice. Yes, this is nice. And I don't really know what I'm smelling. I feel like there's like a slight floral in here with that fresh like air ocean type thing going on. But beach towels. And then I grabbed Bermuda Sands, which I just kind of grabbed a few wax melts just because I was just like, oh, I didn't intend on placing like a huge order. Okay, this one has something fruity, I think. Or is that floral? I don't know. This one I don't like as much as beach towels. I like beach towels better. But yeah, so that's Bermuda Sands. I feel like maybe it'll have like a tropical drink note in it or something, because I don't know, maybe, not sure. All right, so that was my Hayden Rowe order, super small, like I said. Yeah, if you have any favorite scents from Hayden Rowe, I'd love to know. I think you guys told me some before, but if you have any more, let me know. I always like to know. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I have some hauls coming in, and yeah, I'm just feeling a lot better, so I feel like I can make videos again without like I think like the last week I've just been like crashing on the couch trying to sleep a lot and get through whatever's been bothering me. But I woke up yesterday and then today feeling much better, so I'm hoping that it stays that way. But anyways, okay, I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye guys.